Yo guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get free Microsoft gift card codes. You can redeem these in the Microsoft website and it's going to give you a balance to spend on anything in the Microsoft store. Super easy guys, just make sure you follow all of the instructions. And yeah, this works in 2024, so you can all benefit from this, and it is working. So let's get into this tutorial. Right, so let me get into the tutorial on how you can go ahead getting a free Microsoft gift card. It takes just a few minutes and you need a mobile phone, so make sure you grab your mobile, open up the internet, and make sure you go to this website. Make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to type it here: www.topdogcodes.com. And this is the website you need to look for, guys, Top Dog Codes. And when you reach this web page, you're going to see there is so many things on here. Hit the search bar and type in Microsoft. Free Microsoft rewards points. Click on that. And although it says rewards points code, you can also get a gift card code. Like, you can get reward points if you want them. Obviously this video is focusing on gift cards. This has been rated thousands of times and you can see there's tons and tons of coupons left. So yeah, anyone can do this. This is a free $100 Microsoft gift card. And basically guys, you need to click on show code here. And this is going to pop up that confirms this is for a $100 gift card, and it says MS and then there's a bunch of like stars. Basically guys, we need to unlock the full code. Obviously these $100 Microsoft gift card codes can be resold, so people create robots to steal all of the available coupons. You can see there's thousands left, so this is just a way to protect them and ensure they go to end users like you and me. So tap unlock code. Now we need to start the process of getting the full code. It takes just a few minutes. Just make sure you follow the instructions because it is pretty easy. So you're going to see this page pop up, and this is completely normal. We need to complete 2 of these tasks on this page to unlock your free Microsoft gift card code. Now, like I said, they're all completely free, and there is a list here of tasks. We need to choose any 2 of them, follow the instructions, and complete them to unlock our code. You can see below each one there's a description. So Family Island, it says download, then complete level 8. So this is like a free game. And then these ones, such as enter your email and complete the steps. So these are like survey / enter an email ones. So you just need to choose any 2 of these. They're all completely free and they don't take too long at all. So I'm going to click on this Family Island one where I need to play it and get to level 8. So you can see it's open in the App Store, where I'll need to download the game, open it up, and then play it until level 8. And then I'm going to go back once I've completed this one, and then I'll choose a second offer and just complete that.